What's this? This is your my name jar. Dapat yung nakalagay lang dito is your name, okay?
The jar.
Ito, not your name jar. Kaya siya nakasad. Ano to? Happy ito?
Sad.
Okay, tapos meron ako dito, oh. Meron ako dito, oh, mga name. Bunot ka ng bunot ka para ano. Tingnan ko nga kung alam mo yung name mo. Bunot ka. Bunot ka. Tingnan mo nga. Is that your name? Pakita mo sa camera.
Happy.
Wow. Ano yan? Name mo ba yan o hindi? Diana ba yan o hindi?
Sad. Sad.
Hindi. Is this your name?
It's happy.
No. This is your name? Diana ba to? Hindi.
Diana.
Very good.
Happy.
Yes, that is your name. Ilagay mo siya sa happy. Dalian mo. Very good. Sa coins. Kuha ka pa ulit coins. Is that your name? Is that your name? Diana ba yan? Hindi.
Sad.
Sad. Hindi at sagot ka yes or no. Diana ba yan o ano?
Happy.
Oh, no. Is that your name? No. Is that your name? No. Is this your name?
Diana Pawawas.
Name mo ba to? Hindi.
It's Diana Pawawas.
No, it's not your name. Tingnan mo. Walang N, walang D. Wala siyang D. Kaya hindi mo siya name. Diba? Saan mo siya ilalagay? Yung name mo o yung not your name?
Not your name.
Very good. Itong next.
Sad.
Ito. Is this your name? Is that your name?
3 years old.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Is this your name? Diana ba yan? Is that Diana?
No.
No. Saan mo siya ilalagay kung no?
Sad.
Very good. Not my name. Ito, pangalawa. Is that your name? Aislinn. Is that your name?
Aislinn.
Name mo ba yan? Is that your name? Yes or no?
Yes. No.
Is that your no? Mayroon ba siyang D? Wala naman.
No.
Ilagay mo siya garudo sa coins mo. Is this one? Is that your name? Yes or no?
Yes. 3 years old.
May ano ka ba dyan? May letter D ba dyan? May letter ano ba dyan? Kung hindi.
Old.
Is this your name? No? Yes or no?
No.
No. Ipot mo na sa rudo. This one. Is this your name?
Put daddy in the corner.
Yes. This is your name? No. Yes or no?
No.
Put it mo na garudo. Is this your name? Yes or no?
No.
Put mo na doon. Is this your name? Yes or no?
No.
Titigan ng mabite. Why?
Yes.
Why yes?
Yes.
Why yes?
Yes.
No, that is not your name.
No. No.
Saan mo ilalagay ito? Is this your name? Yes or no?
No.
Yes. Why yes? Why yes? Look. Why? Spell mo nga. Asan yung letter D? Asan yung letter D? Kung yan ang name mo. If that's your name, where is the letter D? Yes. Next.
E.
Is this your name? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Di niyo makita. Is this your name? Yes or no? This one. Is this your name? Yes or no?
No.
No. Why no?
I say no.
Why no?
Because
sad. Why no? Bakit hindi mo to name? Why this is your not name? This is not your name. Why? Why this is not your name?
I say no.
Why?
No.
There is no letter?
There's no A.
Yes. Tapos, asan yung D? No. Walang letter D. Kaya, this is not your name. Put mo na doon, Garuda. Very good. This one. Is this your name or no? No, yes or no?
No.
Why?
No.
Why no? Why no?
It says so.
Hindi, bakit ito? Why?
So sad.
No, because there is no letter D.
No water T.
And letter.
No water T.
And letter. Anong wala sa anong letter ang wala? Tingnan mo nga bakit magkaiba sila? No letter.
No water T.
And at saka letter D.
N.
Oh, saan mo ilalagay?
Sad.
Okay po. Oh, this one. Is this your name or not?
Yes.
Why?
I name
This is your name? Are you sure?
Banana Bubbles. Name?
Are you sure this is Diana?
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
We're happy.
Yes. Oh, this one. Is this your name?
No.
Oh. This one. Is this your name?
No. No.
This one.
No.
Why?
No.
Oh, very good. Oh, lagyan mo na girl. This one. Is this your name?
Yeah. Banana Bubbles.
Yes, that's your name.
And I'm happy.
Yes, very good. Is this your name?
No.
Is this your name?
No.
This one.
No.
This one.
No.
Very good. This one.
Yes.
Very good. This one.
No.
Very good. Yay! Finish na niya. Good job, baby Diana. What's your name?
Banana?
What?
No.
Yes, Diana Bunalos.
Banana Bubbles.